Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 22nd to 26th June 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 1.27% negative move. 4155.26 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Here I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's straight away talk about and let's see what happened in our weekly candle. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a medium to small body and a big upper wick and a small lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around oversold area, which is around 0.00 to 0.68, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the bell icon and do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So now some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 41.55 is the closing. Here the direct support is 41.43. Direct resistance is 41.57. After direct support, there is a support of 41.26 and then 41.10. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 42.0, 41.77 and then 42.08. Here, these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these level as well on your chart. So before I talk about my opinion, if you're from India and thinking that how you can trade forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can use the link given in the description, use those coupon code as well. If you think these prop firms has very strict rules and you don't want to follow such rules, then you can also open your live account which is from the GTC FX. I already given in the link in the description, but if you want to know more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details on how you can trade from India with GTC FX legally. So now let's talk about my opinion in XAU USD, that is gold USD pair for coming week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive move in this range, that is 41.57 to 41.77. Even we can expect a move till above these levels as well. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 41.43 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this. Then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.